Alright, welcome back to ADV HQ. No idea if a video will emerge from this one, but I couldn't help myself. I'm desperate for a ride, so I'm on my own. I was going to come out first thing this morning, but it was pissing down rain for about half a day. It's just sort of clearing up, but she's wet out here. I'm just going to take it easy, see how far I get. I'm not really committing to anything. It's going to be wet, and tree roots and things are going to be slippery, so I'll just see how we go. Like I said, on my own, really going to take it easy, but I need a bit of a fix. I haven't ridden since that last, and that was only a tiny ride, so yeah, I just want to get on the bike. We'll see how we go. It's like riding on ice. It's that way, isn't it? Snake. I'll stick on the right. What the sound of this paddle? Or... it's a bit greasy on that. Saying that about everything, but that's fair dinkum shooter. Hey, there's a few little wallabies, kangaroos. Well, I'll give you motorbike enthusiasts the first little glimpse into the new vehicle, the new BT50 with that awesome canopy, Norweld canopy. Just finished my ride, and I'll show you the feature I'm most excited about at this time, just after finishing a ride, is got the fridge. Oh, she's stocked up, and I've got a beer, nice cold beer. And a chocky after the ride. How good is that, eh? So I'll do a rundown on the car another time. But cheers, guys. Hooroo. Oh, let's crack this beer. There we go. Now we can cheers properly.